Piesau is a municipality in the district Saalfeld-Rudolstadt, in Thuringia, Germany, close to the Thuringian Rennsteig. It has a glass factory and is known as Glassmaker Village. The first time glass was made in Piesau was in 1622. Up until today, glass is the main reason of existence in Piesau. Heinz Glass still produces glass, for instance for the cosmetics industry. The inventor of the first usable röntgenglass, Heinrich Florenz Müller, descends from the village. Piesau lies next to the Rennsteig, a hiking path of more than 160 kilometers throughout Thuringen. It belongs to the municipal association Lichtetal im Rennsteig, which consists of the municipalities Lichte, Piesau, Reichmannsdorf, and Schmiedefeld. See also: Municipal associations in Thuringia. References